Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to lock your Facebook profile. If you want to make your Facebook profile more private, you can use Facebook profile lock feature. So to get started, firstly you need to open the Facebook app on your device and make sure you are signed into your account already. And next is you need to tap your profile picture in the bottom right. And once you're over here, you need to tap the three dot menu located in the top right corner. So from here, you need to select this lock profile in the top and select lock profile in the bottom. And that is it. After a few moments, you will see a confirmation message indicating that your profile has been successfully logged. And that is it. That is how you can lock your Facebook profile. Once enabled, your profile will be more private and visible mainly to your Facebook friends. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.